Okay, what's going on YouTube? Okay, I've gotten many requests to do this particular set of videos. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this short and sweet and simple as I possibly can. Okay, everybody's having problems with their magnetos, CDI boxes, electricals of the bikes. Okay, so we're gonna make a quick short tutorial of this. Okay, in order to test the magneto, this is your magneto. Okay, this is what's in your engine to make your engine fire. Okay, this is what they call a two-wire magneto. Okay, if you watched any of my other previous videos, if you have a three-wire magneto, do yourself a favor, get rid of the white wire. It causes you nothing but havoc. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Okay, we've got our leads. We're gonna turn this to ohms. Okay, it's going to 20K. We'll say 2K. Okay, that's where we want it, 2K. And as everybody could see it says 1. Right? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to probe here and here. Now, if everybody could see that, okay, yeah, it's all over the place. Okay, we're going to take this one here. I don't have a place to sit my camera, guys, so you have to bear with me. Okay, you just have to bear with me. I'm truly sorry. I try to make this as nice as I can possibly make it, and the best I can do. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take this black lead probe, and plug it into this. Okay, take your blue and plug it into your red. Okay, now when you do this, now this is the reading that you should get. Okay, I'm truly sorry about all the wandering with the camera, guys. I'm truly sorry. Trying to make it as nice as I can make it. I really am. Okay, start to do this. Put the backlight on so everybody in the world could see this. Okay. Okay, you see that? You see that number? 324, 324, 326, roughly, right? That means this magneto is good. That's in ohms. Okay? That's all you need. When you set this, it gets set to 2K. Okay? Now, we're going to take and turn our attention to a bike, okay, which is my everyday driver. Okay? Now everybody could see it. Okay. Come to this side of the bike. And let's hope I can do this. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to remove your white or your blue wire and your black wire from your CDI box. Okay? I'm going to prove a point here. I just fucked up my magneto, but that's okay. I'll have to fix it. Okay. Okay, now look, guys. You see what I done? Now watch. Watch these numbers. Okay? Same thing, right? Roughly the same numbers. Okay? Anything under 300, anything under 300 is no good. Anything above 300, like say if you go to 400, then you've got a problem. Okay? Now, that was a CDI box. Okay? That's this black wire and this blue wire, just like I showed you on the other CDI box. Or not CDI box, I mean the magneto. My fault, sorry. Okay, now, we're going to take, and I'm going to cut this zip tie. Okay, I know everybody's going to be like, well, you're turning up your own shit. Yes, it's for good reason though, guys. You guys need information? We're about to feed it to you. Okay? Let me find me a pair of pliers. Find me a pair of pliers so I can cut this zip tie. I don't use knives around my wiring. I do not. Simple, nice, easy, tidy way to cut these zip ties. Grab the head with a pair of pliers. Twist and it breaks. You do no damage to your wiring. Okay? Just for those of you that want to know how that's done. Okay? Put you down for a hot second. And I know, my shit's all coming apart. I'm not going to worry about it. Okay? Now, I know these two leads that I pulled all my wiring from. These two leads right here, I know they lead right back to my CDI box. Right? So what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing you did on these wires here. Okay? Lead back to the magneto in the engine. Black goes to black. And red goes to blue. Oh, really? Huh. Well, I think I've got my own problem, guys. I think I've got the same problem everybody else got. I think my CDI box burned up, guys. And I'll tell you why I think that. Because this CDI box used to show me life before. All of a sudden it stopped showing me life now. I'll make proof of it. See the numbers? They're not changing. I tried to ride my bike a few times myself and it wouldn't fire. I thought it was just me. Maybe bad gas or something like that. Let's try this other side. Okay, the coil itself is good. Coil itself is good. So the CDI boxes went out. Okay. So if you're not getting no numbers from your CDI box wires, guys, if you're not getting no numbers from your CDI box, or if you're not getting no numbers from your magneto, well then there's your problem. If you're getting numbers from your magneto, it's good. As long as it's above 300 and it's not more than 400. Okay? As far as I would say is if it's at 370, then you got a problem. If it's anything to 320 to 350, you're good. When they stop showing numbers and they don't do nothing, they just show you the same number that you already see, well then there's your bad part. Okay? Now, This is on the 2-wire setups. Okay. Now we're going to do another little test. Real quick. Okay. Hot to hot and ground to ground. Right? Right. Kill switch is good. The reason I know this kill switch is good is because if you watch. Okay, watch. I've got my unit plugged in. Now see, I'm getting something out of the kill switch when I hit my kill switch button. Tells me my kill switch is good. Tells me my CDI boxes went bad. That's that, folks. That's how you test it. That's how you know if you've got a good product, a bad product, or if something's really went haywire. As everybody sees, mine's went haywire. And if anybody's wondering, yes, this is not factory. This is aftermarket. It finally went out. So it means I had to buy another. Good day.